Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 48. Proud on Indian Woman. Proud on Indian Woman. Indian society is a male dominating society. Here, dominating means to be more powerful, important, or noticeable than others. But now Indian women are on the rise. Nowadays, Indian women have walked shoulder to shoulder with men, even leaving them behind with some glorious. Here, glorious means wonderful achievements. Here, achievements means something that have done successfully through hard work or a skill in diverse field. Here, diverse means very different from each other. Pictures of some famous Indian women who have been honored. Here, honored means respect for somebody. Being first are given below. Recognize and write their names. First one to become the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar is the first Indian woman who first became the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Now second one to reach Antarctica. Meher Moose. Meher Moose is the first Indian woman to reach Antarctica. Now third one, the five-time world amateur boxing champion, the five-time world amateur boxing champion, and she is Mary Kom. Mary Kom is the first Indian woman the who win the amateur boxing champion. Okay, five times. Now the next fourth to go into space, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian woman to go into space. Now to swim across seven seas of the world, Bula Chaudhary. Beulah Chaudhary is the first Indian woman to swim across seven seas of the world. Now sixth one to win an Oscar. To win an Oscar. So Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya is the first Indian woman to win an Oscar. Now the next one is 7. To scale Mount Everest twice in 5 days in May 2017. So Anshu Jamseppa. Anshu Jamseppa is the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest twice in 5 days in May 2017. Now, eighth one to win an Olympic medal. To win an Olympic medal. So, Karnam Maleshwari. Karnam Maleshwari is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Now, the ninth one to become Miss Universe. To become Miss Universe. Sushmita Sen is the first Indian woman to become Miss Universe. Sushmita Sen. Now 10th one to become the President of India. Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil is the first Indian woman to become the President of India. Now look here what is written over this corner. One of the first three female fighter pilots to be inducted into the Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in 2016. Avni Chaturvedi became the first Indian woman to fly a fighter jet solo 2 years later. She flew a MiG 21 Bison in February 2018. Okay, now let's move to the next lesson, that is lesson number 49, currencies around the world. Currencies around the world. What is the meaning of currencies? Means the system or type of money that a particular country uses. Okay. Currency refers to any kind of money that is in circulation in an economy used to purchase goods and services. Most commonly, the world currency can refer to any form of money that used in circulation throughout the public. Total currency usually contains both coins and papers. A. Match the currencies to the name of the countries they belong to. Here we have the name of the countries and also currencies. We have to match them. First one is United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. The currency of United Arab Emirates is dirham. Okay, dirham. Now China, the currency of China is yuan. Yuan. The currency of China is yuan. Now third one is Iraq. The currency of Iraq is dinar. Iraq, dinar. Now the fourth one, Bhutan. The currency of Bhutan is Angultrum. Angultrum. Now the fifth one, United States, and the currency of United States is dollar. Okay, United States dollar. Now B. Look at the given currency notes and name them. Students, here we have some currency notes. We have to find the name of the country in which this currency notes are used. First one, it is the currency note of U. It is the name of this currency note of US dollar. We have to find the name of this currency note. Okay, so first note is US dollar. This is second one, and the name of this note, currency note, is dinar. Okay, now third one, the name of this currency note is Russian ruble. It is Russian ruble. Now fourth one, the name of this currency note is European euro. The name of this currency note is European euro. Now fifth one, the name of this currency note is lira. Okay, the name of this currency note is lira. Now the last one, sixth one, the name of this currency note, rupee. It is Indian currency, right? The name of this currency note is rupee. Okay, now look here what is written over this corner. On the evening of 8th November 2016, the Prime Minister of India announced one of the boldest moves in history of India's socio-economic scene, demonetization. Scene, demonetization of old rupees 500 notes and rupees 1000. Soon after, new notes of rupees 500, rupees 2000, okay, and rupees 200 and rupees 50 are pumped into the economy. Okay students, thank you for watching video.